Bro, imagine going from a basic gaming PCs with cables everywhere to a full ecosystem of high-performance gaming hardware, wireless systems, RGB setups, and mobile gaming devices. This is the 20-year evolution of Republic of Gamers, ASUS gaming division, and it completely transformed gaming hardware and competitive gaming. In 2006, ASUS created Republic of Gamers, also known as ROG. The main goal was to build high-performance gaming hardware for PC gamers and enthusiasts. At that time, normal computers were not designed for gaming performance or overclocking, so ROG focused on motherboard first. These motherboards allowed gamers to push CPU performance higher through overclocking, improve system stability under heavy loads, get more performance from the same hardware. This was the foundation of competitive PC hardware. After motherboards, ROG expanded into graphic cards and gaming laptops, bringing high-end gaming performance into more parts of the PC ecosystem. As gaming evolved, performance alone was not enough. ROG started focusing on how games look and how smooth they feel. This led to the development of high-performance gaming display and monitors. These monitors introduced higher refresh rates for smoother motion, lower response times for competitive accuracy, improved visual clarity for esports gaming. This means players could react faster and see gameplay more clearly. ROG also explored future visual technologies like smart glasses concept, showing how gaming visuals could become more immersive and portable in the future. This phase was about one thing: making gaming visually faster, smoother, and more immersive. After dominating desktop performance, ROG changed direction completely. Gaming was no longer going to stay at a desk. Laptops were introduced, so ultra-thin gaming laptops that still delivered high performance. This was important because gaming laptop became portable without losing power. Gamers could now play AAA games anywhere. Cooling systems were redesigned for thin devices. Then came mobile gaming evolution with. This was not a normal smartphone. It included gaming triggers called air triggers, high refresh rate display, advanced cooling system, gaming accessories for competitive play. This made mobile gaming feel like console level performance. Now gaming was no longer tied to a desk or even a PC. After performance and portability, ROG changed something else: design and culture. Gaming PCs stopped being hidden boxes under desks with tempered glass cases. Hardware became visible. Gamers started building PCs where internal components were displayed. RGB lighting were part of the design. Aesthetics mattered as much as performance. Then came synchronized lighting system like Aura Sync developed by ASUS. This allowed keyboard, mice, motherboards, GPU, and PC cases to all sync lighting effect together. Gaming setup became visually unified, colorful, and customizable, designed as personal gaming environment. This turned gaming PCs into lifestyle and content setup, not just machines. As gaming became more competitive, control devices became critical. ROG improved gaming input devices step by step. First, gaming mice evolved to become more accurate, reduce latency, improve tracking speed. Then a mechanical keyboard became standard. Faster response time, customizable inputs, macro functions for competitive advantage. Then controllers evolved for PC gaming. Controllers brought customizable buttons, esports level responsiveness, console style gameplay on PC. The key idea was simple: in competitive gaming, hardware directly affects skill and performance. For many years, wireless gaming was considered inferior. Players believed wireless meant input lag, delay, weaker performance, so most competitive gamers stayed wired. But ROG changed that completely. They introduced advanced wireless ecosystem including high-speed gaming routers, Wi-Fi 7 technology, low-latency wireless peripherals, Speed Nova wireless technology. Now, wireless devices like mice, keyboard, headset perform almost the same as wired devices. This allowed gamers to have clean setup without cables, freedom of movement, and no performance loss. This was the final step. Wireless gaming became competitive ready. From high-performance motherboards to gaming laptops to mobile gaming phones to RGB gaming setups to competitive controllers to wireless ecosystems, ROG didn't just build gaming hardware. They completely reshape how gamers play, compete, and experience games. So now the real question is, what will ROG change next? Drop your thoughts in the comment below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into 20 years of ROG, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow for more gaming and tech content.